If you are wondering if we have any AI features available on CMF Phone 2 Pro, then the answer is yes. However, the list is pretty short, and most of these features are actually just typical features that are available on every other phone. So for example, we have Circle to Search, which is a relatively new feature available on Android devices, and it is also available over here. So in order to use Circle to Search, we can press and hold the navigation handle at the bottom of the screen for like a second or two. Or if you use buttons for navigation, then you need to press and hold the home button. And this allows you to pretty much search on Google by selecting the area that you wish to look for. And there we go. Over here we have results. So we can go through different results in order to, or different suggestions in order to try to find some products, information, results, etc. We can also try to use visual matches over here. Besides that, Circle to Search can be also used in order to search for a music. So for example, if somewhere in the background you hear a music that you don't know the title of, so in that case you can use Circle to Search in order to use this button over here, and then you can play, sing, or hum the song that you don't know nothing about, and you can get the Google results after that. Besides that, of course, we also have Gemini, which in my case I have also downloaded an app, but it is not really necessary because it is built in. In this case, let's actually turn it on. Gemini, of course, allows you to do pretty much the same thing as you did with Google Assistant. So this is a typical assistant that allows you to perform certain tasks. And apparently there's also AI used for essential space for organizing purposes. I'm not sure if that's truly the case, at least, well, it is mentioned like this on the website, but I wouldn't say it is like a huge AI tool, really. Apparently it is a feature and it is an AI feature, but I'm not sure if that's truly the case, to be honest. Nevertheless, there is also one more feature that is also available on lots of newest smartphones, and that is the erasing tool for photos. So if we go to gallery, and if you want to remove something from a photo, let's say I'm gonna open this photo over here, we can go to edit in order to find the magic eraser. And this magic eraser is definitely an AI tool, and it allows you to remove certain things from photos. You can decide what should be removed. So for example, if I want to get rid of this car toy over here, I can select it in a circle, for example, and then it should be removed. If you have some stuff left after the car, like shadows, etc., then of course we can select areas again in order to try to fix them. And yeah, this is how it looks like. So this is definitely an AI tool, but like I said, it is also available on some other smartphones as well. This is a pretty common tool as well. So nevertheless, that's about it. These, I believe, are all AI tools that I could find on CMF Phone 2 Pro. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in my next videos. Bye.